And aviation is going to have the worst. I mean, the loss in billions of dollars, obviously, of many planes being grounded, the lack of travel. From an economic business perspective, many of these airlines may not exist anymore, the ones that we at least were aware of. You're going to see a consolidation. The International Aviation Transportation Authority right now is in talks with airlines and talks with governments to try to begin and at least have a basic set of rules, of codes of conduct, at least we can call them. For example, many in the US, as of May 1st, many airlines are going to make it mandatory to wear face masks, to wear protective masks on flights, domestically, but more than likely that's also going to be internationally. So that's just one basic thing. There's probably some form of mandatory, at least the staff on the airplanes, all the flight crew, everyone's going to have to wear protective masks. That's, I'd say it's still debatable amongst ordinary flyers, but I think that's going to probably have to become mandatory. So that's part of the new normal. In terms of tourism, obviously, so the aviation industry, the hospitality industry, extremely hit hard. Just look at it from a European level. In recent days, many of the ministers of tourism of Europe have been in discussions to try to develop common standards. And what you mentioned about is, for example, the term that's being used is health passport. The health passport is before you get into a flight or before you travel internationally, you need a medical certificate or some form of medical document from your doctor saying whether or not you've had COVID,